Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we discuss Bitcoin Cash, conduct machine learning based price forecast as well as technical analysis, regression analysis for BCH. None of the content is financial advice. Since the last two bull market, Bitcoin Cash, which is a fork of Bitcoin, has been putting a new slowly lower highs from $3,000 in 2017 to about 12 to 1300 in 2021. Right now the price is at around $440, roughly speaking, coming to that 0.23 fib level. If that 0.23 fib level from the last all-time high to the previous market cycle bottom is getting retraced, the second level to watch is at around $675. That's a 0.38 to fib level, and then the next one is at around $855, and then the $1,000 level for BCH. From our machine learning based price forecast, the directionality related model says that if all things are equal, the price is likely to stay sideways. If on the other hand, now that we are in the post-halving years, like back in 2021 when the price rose from about $480 to $1,300, if that kind of move is on the horizon, that one standard deviation bull case for Bitcoin Cash is between $523 and about $1,140 for the machine learning based model. Again, this is trained on exclusively price. We don't use any generative AI or any shortcuts. We use our own machine learning model using ARIMA. This one is ARIMA and as well as seasonal ARIMA technique and XGBoost and LSTM based model. If on the other hand, if there is a bearish case in the next 6 months, the price could be between $210 and $400. So we like to forecast 6 months into the future. Week by week forecast in tabular format are also available over here. The pink line is this base case. To its left are the 3 bear cases at 1, 2 and 3 standard deviation. To its right are the 3 bull case at 1 and 2 and 3 standard deviation. If Bitcoin Cash exhibits any euphoria move, the price per the model could in the next 3 months could be between $604 and about $1,600. Again, euphoria does not last for 6 months. Usually it lasts for a couple of months. Again, you can see over here euphoria from March till about May. That was the euphoria phase, and then corrected back to the 1 standard deviation scenario. If that kind of things happen for in this bull market, that ceiling is at around $1,600 for Bitcoin Cash. Now that we have covered the machine learning based forecast, again we have this on cryptoweeklies.com, one row for each of the crypto. This is the home page. You don't have to pay or sign up for this website. This is all free without any ads. So if you like these kind of content, please give us a like and subscribe to stay updated and help the channel grow. The second analysis that we are going to discuss related to Bitcoin Cash is the regression based valuation for based on polynomial regression function. What is the fair value for Bitcoin Cash for the polynomial fair value function? The fair value is at around, roughly speaking, $1,000, and in a case that euphoria takes, or that 1 standard deviation residual applied to Bitcoin Cash is coming in at close to that 1600 level, which is kind of the euphoria case for Bitcoin Cash. If that the structure that was happening in 2021, if a similar structure happens in this time around in starting 2023 and ends in 2025, that euphoria phase could be somewhere at around 1 standard deviation ceiling at around $1,600 per the model. This means right now the price of Bitcoin Cash is undervalued per the 68th percentile model, where the price is deviated downside. Again, you can see that between this green line and the yellow line, I will get rid of the fair value line again for here. This between these two lines, price stays about 68% of the time. This has deviated to the downside. So again, that means either this price has some room to catch up, or this regression function needs to be fitted. Again, we do fit them as we get more and more data, but again we don't retroactively make any changes so to the regression function. So all things constant, again for this model at this point in time, Bitcoin Cash is undervalued per the model. If we were to take into consideration the risk levels for Bitcoin Cash, the first model is the 20-week simple moving average based risk modeling technique for Bitcoin Cash. Right now, this is the price versus 20-week moving average. For this model, 42% risk and about 58% reward. Some of the targets, moderate target for Bitcoin Cash between $975 and about $1,200, and the aggressive target between $1,200 and about $1,350. In terms of the DCA model, which takes into consideration the polynomial regression based function that we saw at a weekly level, this is applied at a daily level, and per this model again, right now the risk is less than 10%. Again, you can see over here less than 10% risk, and some of the targets for Bitcoin Cash between $1,400, this is more aggressive, till about $2,000. That's the higher end of the target per the 2 standard deviation residual applied, and the lofty goal between 2,000 and 2,500 for Bitcoin Cash. In an estimation of all the 3 targets, what we like to do is, no single model can be accurate. An estimated bull run peak for Bitcoin Cash per the 3 models right now is coming in at around $3,400, representing about 7.5x yen. Again, this is a very lofty goal. That's why we like to mute them. Again, try to make them more realistic using our machine learning based analysis, which says confluence between again, first level to watch is when this $1,140. If that gets the price gets to that point, and then the secondary level is at around $1,600. And with that I would like to conclude the video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give us a like and subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.